You can all see the popcorn popping. Can you see? Everything. It's popping, looking so nice. You'll need popcorn seeds, cooking oil, and salt. Start by preheating your oil in the cooking pot first. After preheating your oil, add the popcorn seeds. Then start stirring your mixture so that all the seeds get mixed with the oil. Stir continuously. Then cover your popcorn to let it puff everything. So guys, now my popcorn is starting to form. Cover and wait until all the popping stops. Then you know that your popcorn is ready. In this type of cooking, you can use any type of stovetop. You can use a jiko, a popcorn maker, or any of your choice. But I prefer the electric cooker. It's so nice and fast. So beautiful. You can all see the popcorn popping. Can you see? Everything. It's popping, looking so nice. Tonight I'm having a movie night, so I'm making popcorn. So guys, tell me where you're watching from. You can make this easy recipe at home for you and your family. Make your own popcorn. Don't buy popcorn again, okay? You can see everything has popped. So guys, now my popcorn is ready. As you can see, it's looking very yummy, very delicious. You should try this popcorn recipe at home, okay? Now I'm going to serve with my family. Bye guys, see you on my next video.